Hi guys, welcome to Optus Education. It's Mahesh Kumar. In this video, we will see how to install the Python customly and its latest version of the Python. Whatever it is, it's a 3.10 or 3.11, wherever the Python will go, you can install. You can use this video to install the Python on your system. Okay. So now for the installing the Python, we need to first of all download the Python launcher, right? So for that, you go to the Python official website, Python downloads. So just type on Python downloads in the Chrome, and also you can click on the Python link. And what's the link? It is https://www.python.org slash Windows. This link will be given in the description. You can use this link to download this file. So here you can find the latest version of the Python 3.10.1, right? If suppose next month the Python is going to be launched 3.11, you can use this video to install this Python file. Okay, so now I will click on this download Python, and the file will be downloaded. So it's just 26 MB like that only. So you can now next move on to the downloads, whether the file is here or not. Check the file is here. So before starting installation, we need to go to the local disk C. Okay, so in this local disk C, we need to create one folder called Python. Our version is 3.10.1, right? So we are installing the Python customly. So if you installed as it is, means the file will be move on to the program files. So once the file is move on to the program file, it's unable to install the Spider and Jupyter Notebook customly. Okay, I mean without Anaconda. If you want to install the Python, I mean Jupyter Notebook and Spider without Anaconda, means you need to follow these steps. Okay, so now I have created a file folder, right? So now I will go to the downloads. In the downloads, I will click on the file and right click and run the file as an administrator. So while you are running the file as an administrator, it will show, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, like that it will be asked. So here what you have to do is you need to give as, so you are allowing the app to make the changes. So after that, it will be show that one pop-up window for the installation. So here two options will be available: install now and custom installation. Install now means it will be go on and install in the program file something where else. Okay, so in this video we are focusing on the custom installation. So we need to use this custom installation. Before clicking on the custom installation, you need to click on the add Python 3.10 to path. Okay, so after clicking on it, you need to give custom installation. So after that, it will be so additional features and additional packages for the Python. You don't do any changes in this section, in this step, and just move on to the next. And here you are find some other path is given, right? So here we need to change and we need to go to the path. We have created one folder in local disk C, right? So I'm going to the local disk C and I will find, this is a folder I have created. I will choose this folder and I will just click on OK. I have selected the folder which I have created in the local disk C. Okay, so now I will click on the install. Okay, so now it is installed and it will be installed in some time. It will be take time, and now it's installing fastly. So now the download installation will be complete. Okay, now see here, the setup was successfully installed, right? So we will check whether the Python is installed properly or not, right? We need to run a command and we will check. Okay, so before that, I will just close this window and I will go to the control panel So see here, it's the control panel. In the control panel, I will go to the programs and go to the programs and features. You can find your Python file here, right? It's installed properly, right? Okay. So Python launcher and Python 3.10.1. Okay. So it's installed correctly, and I will close this window. And after that, I need to run a small command. Okay. So for that, I will go to the command prompt. So in the command prompt, you can use the Python command to open the Python compiler. So see here, the Python is installed. What's the version of the Python? 3.10.1. And now you can run one simple command, print hello. Welcome to Optos Education. So let's see what will be happen. I have give a simple print command and it will be run. So hello, welcome to Optus Education. Okay, this is how we need to install the Python customizedly, and it will be help to install you Spider and Jupyter notebook without Anaconda. Okay, while you are installing Anaconda, it will be occupy large space in your system, so it will be help you to run your system very fast and quick. Okay, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for the Optus Education and also click on the bell icon. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.